So I was working on the winch for the Raptor. See right there, I was running the wires and I found a crack on my frame. Got it fixed now, but I think this is the best way to fix it. Might be wrong, maybe there's a different way that will be more effective, but personally I like this one. We'll see how long it lasts, or if it even cracks again. I don't know. So look at that, we had a failure on the frame, so we are going to attempt to fix it. The way we're gonna do it is I'm gonna weld this back together, and I'm gonna put half a pipe across here, but not weld the ends. So hopefully that works, and we'll see if it lasts, and hopefully it won't crack again. So I got pretty much everything but a little section right there. Kind of hard to get to it without taking it apart. So alright, so I have my pedal down there, and we'll see if I can reach that now. See, I'm not even using a full half a pipe, a little bit less than a half. So I'm gonna weld both sides, but not the ends. I'm not welding the ends on this. Battery died, but it should be good to go. So now I'm just gonna put it back together, run the wires for the winch, and this Sunday we're going to explore new area. So this is why I need the winch on it, because we might get stuck. Okay, so alright, so I got it fixed. I'm only using the remote control. I'm not using the wire, at least for now. So this is one of the Harbor Freight one. Hold it, it's on. Say out. Either that, or you can release it. And then you can pull it in. There it works. It's good to go. And then turn it off, you hold it, or it also will cut off by itself in 2 minutes if it doesn't sense any like movement or use, whatever.